Hello and welcome back to my channel. So with the new year, this is the optimal time to organize, declutter, and simplify our lives. So I wanted to see what are the newest, latest, greatest tips and hacks from professional organization experts. And that is what I'm sharing with you today. There are some really good ones. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And with all that said, we're going to get started with one of my favorites. It is called the 12-12-12 organization method. That's very memorable. It is by Joshua Becker, who wrote a book called Becoming Minimalist. So what you're going to do here is pick a room or a space that's highly cluttered. In this case, I'm going to pick my kitchen. The first thing you want to do is pick 12 items to throw away, trash, items that are broken, ruined, and not salvageable. Next, you want to pick out 12 items to donate. So these are items that you're not using, but they're still usable, that you can donate to somebody else who will get use out of them. And then third, you want to pick 12 items to relocate. So maybe these are items that have ended up in the room and should not be here, or maybe you just want to strategically relocate some of the items to be closer to where you use them. And what you could do here as a New Year challenge is do one room a day, or you could even go around your whole house and do the 12-12-12 in every room of your house. Not too overwhelming, and it is really easy and fast to do. Another thing that Kelly said that I loved is the idea of stylish storage. Storage no longer has to be ugly and plain. This is an ottoman storage bench that I found. I love this. Specifically, I'm going to use it for cat toys because I now have my two little kittens and lots of toys, and I had no good place to put them. So now it looks stylish and chic, but it's also functional for organization and storage. This would also be good at the foot of your bed, for your kids' toys, for winter jackets, for shoes. So many different things you can put in here. It comes in multiple colors, and it is so pretty. The next pro organization tip is a simplified system for organizing your mail. This comes from professional organizer Allison, who I found on TikTok, and she recommends having just two bins. One is action, and second is to file. Anything else gets immediately thrown away. The action mail bin she recommends keeping out on your desk, and these are things you either need to pay bills for or get in touch or follow up on immediately. And then the second pile is to file tax documents or any other important paperwork that you need to keep. Those are the two piles. Anything else gets thrown in the trash. Next thing to simplify for the new year is your supplements. My health and wellness is a top priority. I have a lot of supplements, and it was just starting to take up so much space. This gadget, which condenses 7 pill bottles into one. Not only does that save space, it saves me the hassle of having to individually grab and open a bunch of pill bottles every day. So it all just goes in this one container, has the labels, and you just twist the top and dump out each supplement. I love this system. And speaking of supplements, my favorite supplement brand in the entire world, Ritual, has given me a code for 40% off. Big thank you to Ritual for sponsoring this portion of the video. I have used and love Ritual for so many years, and out of everything I've ever tried by them, the Symbotic is the best. You must try it, especially if you have any digestive issues or struggle with bloating, and it's just good for your overall immune system. So it's a 3-in-1, a prebiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic. And if you didn't know, your immune system lives in your gut, and you need a good balance of healthy bacteria to help your immune system function at its optimal level. But beyond that, you guys, this has helped me more than anything I've ever tried in my entire life for bloating. I've always had the worst issues with bloating. I tried digestive enzymes. I tried eating in a specific order. I was walking around looking like 14 to 16 weeks pregnant. I was really insecure about it. And since I started taking this, it is completely gone. I'm mind blown. It's only one pill. It is shelf stable. And in their Symbotic, they have the research-backed, clinically proven strains. And the way that it's formulated, it breaks down into the lower intestines, so your body is able to absorb most of it. A lot of probiotics are not even properly absorbed. So this is the best of the best. So you can try it and save 40% off, which is the biggest discount code they've ever given me. It's a New Year's deal. So this is the perfect time to get your health and wellness in order, prioritize your health, and you can save 40% off. So I will have my discount code and link down in the description box, also as the first pinned comment. Next way to declutter and simplify for the new year was created by two organizers called the Minimalists, and it is the 2020 rule. So we had the 12-12-12 and now the 2020, and this is a really easy 3-second method for deciding if you should keep or donate an item in your home. And that is, can you replace this for under $20 in under 20 minutes? If the answer is yes, you can let it go in peace, knowing that it is very easily replaceable. So I tried this and I think this is a great framework when dealing with smaller items that you have a lot of. So maybe coffee mugs, makeup, duplicate kitchen items, toys, clothing, things of that nature. It just helps you make those decisions so much faster because you can just think, can I replace this for under $20 in under 20 minutes? I really liked having this easy way of thinking about it. Again, it like the 12, 12, 12, it makes it very tangible. Next pro organization tip comes from me because at this point I consider myself a professional. I've been doing this for 10 years and it is this collapsible hamper, which has multiple uses that just really help with my day-to-day life and being more organized. So first and foremost, in the laundry room, it collapses down to save up space, but I like that this one is nice and wide. So you can fold your laundry, put it in this hamper, and then just carry it with you to put the clothes away. But that's not all, okay? My favorite way to use this is, well, grocery shopping. So this is the perfect size and shape. It fits right in your grocery cart. Put your groceries in here, load it back in here, and then my favorite part is how easy it is to unload and put your groceries away. This next project I did last year, but I wanted to show you again because I highly recommend you do this, and that is transfer your mismatched shampoo, conditioner, body wash products into these beautiful, streamlined, large containers. This serves two purposes. Not only does it look nicer in your bathroom, but you can also then buy your body and hair care products in larger sizes in bulk. Next up is one of my all-time favorite home organization projects, and it is this battery organization system. This might seem excessive to you, but let me tell you, the next time you need a battery and you have them all stored here, you will thank yourself. This really came in handy on Christmas morning when the kids had new toys that needed batteries and I was dialed in. I also really love that it has the battery tester built into it so you can test your batteries to make sure that they are working. And last new expert organization tip for the new year is called the Core 4 Method by Kayleen Kelly. She's a professional organizer specifically with clients who have ADHD, which I believe I have ADHD, so this really spoke to me. So I decided to try the Core 4 Method with my hair and body care products, which were just becoming crazy cluttered. I had too much and I needed to declutter, reorganize. So the Core 4 Method has 4 easy steps. First being to clear out. So just go through and remove anything that shouldn't be there, that doesn't belong there, that needs to be moved. The second is to categorize. So in this case, I can put hairsprays, leave-in treatments, body lotions into their own separate piles. And then step 3 is to cut out. And this is interesting to me because in other decluttering methods, usually that step is earlier. So this is a little bit farther along. You can look at everything you have and then decide what you want to donate or throw away. And last is to contain. So whatever you have left, you just get your containers and boom, you're organized. If you want to do the added step, you can label as well. And I'm a big fan of the clear drawer dividers, clear containers, just so you can see what you have and it doesn't get lost in the abyss. So those are some of my favorite new organization methods from the experts. And also, this is the time of year to get your health and wellness in order, and you can save 40% off if you want to try any of Ritual's products. They have the Women's Multi. I recommend the Symbotic Plus. Oh my goodness. This is my favorite Ritual product they've ever come out with. You can save 40%. So I will have my link and discount code down in the description box. Thank you as always so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe again if you're new, turn the notifications on, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.